Bros, I'm back with another unboxing. Sheba's still here, so we're good to go. So this I bought a while ago, but I saved it to open with you guys. Okay, so this is from this dude from Canada I bought a bunch of shit from. He's actually the one who sold me this bad boy. He sold me a lot of stuff. I've given this guy way too much money. I don't know, he must have like the in or some kind of like hookup to get all kinds of like rare Chinese fidget stuff. Okay, so this was actually a cheap carbon fiber slider. I think it was like 40 bucks, 45 bucks. But I keep seeing it and I'm like, I'm interested. It could be a gigantic waste of time, so I'm not sure. But trying to explore some of the cheaper stuff, you know? I can't keep buying $300 things. You buy it and then it's like not worth it. And you feel like you're screwed and you try to sell it and nobody wants to buy it and it's like, look. Okay. This is from that one company, I think. Yeah, I've gotten a couple things from this company. It's like you can get this at like Marcelinda's store or in his work on AliExpress. And it was about the same price I bought it from this dude for, so. Okay. So I hope that this is gonna be good. There she is. All right. Right off the bat, feels good. Looks like this is just a sticker on here. This is carbon fiber. And I normally don't like carbon fiber, but we've got some stickers on there. I mean, tape. Ooh. Very strong magnets. I like it. I love the fact that you've got that rattle noise. Like a ladder. Feels good in your hand. I like it right off the bat. Oh yeah. Damn, this is nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. What else comes with this? Don't worry, I'm gonna flip it around. We've got this QR code and some Japanese writing. Extra, wow, a bunch of extra tape. It's pretty good. We've got a sticker in here. And we've got some kind of like pass inspection thing. And it also came in this nice little pouch. So, see what Sheba thinks of it, and then I'll turn the camera around. I like it. I like it way better than the hot doggins. Sheba? I love you, Sheba. Oh, I like it. Okay, let me turn around. Gosh, she's so pretty. Okay. All right, let's get to the question at hand. What do you guys think of this bad boy? I'm gonna put this in the light again. She's blocking all my light. Sheba? Okay. Look at that thing. I'm gonna do a comparison of that hot doggins I just did a review on. This is exactly what I wanted it to be, and it's not. I'm gonna have to sell that bad boy. This I would recommend. This is awesome. Okay, so let's do, ooh, she's moving. Let me make sure that nobody's address is showing. Okay, that's more shit I gotta unbox. Okay, so let's take a look here. I mean, I like the clean sound of this, but you can't ladder. I just love this thing. Now, it's not as smooth as some sliders that I have, but for a carbon fiber, this thing is really, really, really good. I'm very surprised. size-wise, form factor. My cat. I have fed these cats, and they're still bugging me. Gosh, I like this thing. All right, let's get a little bit of a closer look. All right, what do you think? All right, I really want you guys to see this thing because I am going to 100% recommend it. Man, my camera taking skill, my cameraman skills are not the best. Look, we have another guest. Ooh, they don't like each other. Sheba. Just so you know. She's multitasking. She's growling at the other cat and scratching at the same time. Okay. Look at that thing. It actually feels nice. There's like a little bit of an edge here where the sticker part goes down. It's like a chamfer, which feels really nice. It's super smooth. Now, like I said, this is only a sticker on here, but it feels nice. There's actually a little bit of grip on this part right here. The inside has got the tape on there, which works really well. It feels good. This is really good. I like it a lot. All right. Now, this will really tell you whether you should buy it or not. Hey. 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 Sheba. Sheba. What do you think of it? Sheba. She gave it a pity lick. Sheba? Oh, she don't like it. Ooh. All right, well, Sheba's wrong about this one. This one is a keeper. I got some Sheba here on there. Buy it. I'm going to put the link in the description. Buy it.